It's Annette from needlepointers.com. Pumpkin decorating is the highlight of Halloween. What if you don't like pumpkin carving? There are tons of no-carve pumpkin decorating ideas. Today, I want to show you how to use leftover lace to transform an inexpensive Dollar Tree foam pumpkin into a stunning seasonal decoration for fall. For this lace pumpkin, you will need dollar store pumpkin, lace, scissor, Mod Podge, foam brush or a paintbrush, white paint, brown paint, and a wine cork. Before you begin this project, cover the table with something to protect it. Then, remove the green stem from the pumpkin. It is just held in place with a toothpick. With the white paint and a brush, paint the pumpkin white. Allow it to dry thoroughly. Meanwhile, as it dries, paint the wine cork brown and allow it to dry. Once the paint on the pumpkin is dry, it is time to dress it up with lace. Grab some lace and measure from the top to the base of the pumpkin. At the base, you want to cover it halfway. Now, use this lace piece as a template to cut more lace. Cut enough lace to go all the way around the pumpkin. With a foam brush, apply some Mod Podge onto the lace. Place the lace with the Mod Podge side down on the pumpkin, making sure not to cover the stem hole. Apply a thin coat of Mod Podge on the top. In the same manner, continue adding lace strips. Now, as you're doing this, you might want to have a wet paper towel next to you, because it does get a little messy as you're doing this. Continue in the same manner, applying the strips and overlapping them slightly. Once the pumpkin is completely covered with lace, allow the pumpkin to dry. Because it is decoupaged all the way around, in order to let it dry and not stick to something, what I did was I put a toothpick where the pumpkin stem would be and then inserted it into some floral foam. Once the pumpkin is dry, apply another coat of decoupage over the lace to seal it. Next, we'll add some ruffled lace around the top, and as you see, I've put some pencil markings where I want the lace to be. It'll be 3 layers, and if you don't have gathered lace, you can always gather it yourself by using straight lace, do a basting stitch, and then gather it. To put the lace on, we're going to use a hot glue gun. Now when placing it, be careful that you don't get burnt by the hot glue. And then just continue to add the 3 layers of lace. The final step is to insert a toothpick into the center of the wine cork. Apply a dab of hot glue to the top of the pumpkin and insert the toothpick into the stem hole. Your pumpkin is finished. However, you can embellish it however you wish. I hope that you enjoyed this video on how to make a decoupaged lace pumpkin. Please like, share, and comment. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on Facebook, Pinterest, and Twitter. To follow us, click the link in the video or in the description section. Also, visit our website, needlepointers.com, for lots of free fall and Halloween craft projects.